Yeah, good day everyone, and you welcome to Setro channel today. This is Setro, and what are we doing today? I'm doing the upper part and actually the lower part of this dress I'm putting on, the basket dress, as in basket pattern dress. So I'm just going to teach you in how many minutes how to achieve this upper part of this dress and the lower part of this dress, and you are good to go. And don't forget to follow us on all our social media platforms, on Instagram at Setro Fashion, on Facebook at Setro Fashion School, and the big one is still coming, by the way. So I'm very happy you're here today. Let's get started, and you can also register. Registration is going on ongoing Setro Fashion School. So let's get started. Get.
This is the upper part that we cut 6 inches away. That's where we have fixed the basket. So we're measuring right now. The length of the dress is 46. So the lower part will be 6 inches for the net. We'll be achieving the basket on the brown paper. So placing them across this way. You cut diagonally this way to pipe the neck. You cut diagonally this way as if it's bias, so that you use it to pipe the neck line. You cut the pieces diagonally this way. That was just to achieve a longer length. So you start piping as if you are using bias to turn your neckline.
When I'm with you, I feel like I'm inside a rainbow. When I'm with you, I feel like I'm inside a rainbow.
So you notch the underlay so that it will be relaxed. So right now you notch the center of the main bodies of the front panel. You now join it to the net basket attache. So you make sure you notch the basket center as well, such that they are well aligned. So you join on 1/2 inch. Now go to the lower part panel of the front panel. So you start affixing the pieces of Ankara again, just the normal way.